did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water? Mary, did you know that your baby boy would save our sons and daughters?
Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? This child that you delivered will soon deliver you. I have traveled many moonless nights, cold and weary, with a babe inside, and I wonder what I've done. Holy Father, you have come to make me new.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will calm a storm with his hand?
Did you know
that your baby boy has walked where angels drive?
when you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God? Breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me. Breath of heaven, breath of heaven, light in my darkness, pour over me your holiness, for you are holy.
The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again.
The lame will leap, the dumb will speak, the praises of the Lamb. Breath of heaven, hold me together, be forever near me. Breath of heaven, breath of heaven. Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? That sleeping child you're holding is the great I am. Mary, did you know?
Did you know?
Be with me now.
Hey guys, I just want to encourage you, if you're having a bit of a tough time, to remember that God cares far more about the condition of your hearts than the position of your hands. So stick with it and remember that God loves you and that it's a joyful noise to Him. I hope wherever you are healthy and you are well.